Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, 1 week holiday for the classes. Maybe you have enjoyed a lot, I think. So, in the last class, we have discussed few problems of exercise 10.2. So, the remaining problems we are discussing, children. Okay, by this lesson will be completed. Okay, for the next class, be ready with the instrument box and all. So the next problem of the exercise was this. In a figure, x y and x bar y bar are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O. And another tangent AB with a point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. Prove that angle AOB is 90 degree. So xy and x dash y dash are the tangents for a circle. Two parallel tangents, that's why give the symbol of parallel here. Okay, then another tangent AB. So another tangent AB with a point of contact C intersecting xy at A. So this is the point, x dash y dash at B. This is the point. Okay. So from this, if we join this, you have to prove AOB is equal to 90 degree. This angle is 90, you have to prove. This is the problem. Okay. So just write down the given thing, children. What is given? So given is xy is parallel to x dash y dash. That isn't it? So that is the thing. Now what you have to prove? This angle as 90, write down to prove. Now one construction I am drawing. What is that means? One line I am drawing here. I am joining O and C. C is the point of contact for AB, whereas O is the center. Join one line for that. That is the construction. Now by joining that, we got a 4 triangles. See, this is one triangle, this is one, this is one, this is one. Now let us compare these two. These two triangles I am comparing now. Which are the triangle? POA is one and AOC is the one more. Isn't it? So, take out the two triangles, and one more thing you should know here. It is a tangent, it is a radius. Tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. In the same way, here also. It is perpendicular. 90 degree angle we are having in both. Okay, that only write down first. OPA and OCA both are 90 degree. Why? Because tangent is perpendicular to the radius. And check out one more thing. OP is radius and OC is radius. So even they will be equal because the radii of the same circle. And OA is the common side for both the triangles. That is the thing I wrote. OA is equal to OA. So by this we got two sides and one angle. A we got, S we got, S we got. We are not having ASS but we are having SAS. So from SAS rule they will become a congruent. If they will become congruent means this part PA will be equal to AC and this angle will be equal to this angle. Isn't it? That is the thing I wrote here. How we have proved for these two triangles? In the same way, here also we can prove for these two triangles. Instead of doing that, we can make it as a similar because it is same as that one. So these two triangles BOC and BOQ are similar. That time this angle will be equal to this angle. That is the thing I wrote here. Angle COB is equal to BOQ. Now actually what is required for us? Just to check it out. So here it is a straight line. On this all the angles are present. Just go with the two angles POC and COQ. By these two angles we are getting a straight line. They are linear pair. Isn't it? So that's why you write down here. Angle POC plus COQ is equal to 180 degree due to linear pair. Isn't it? So next. Here POC can be written as, just observe POC, this is POC, there two angles are there, which are that POA is one angle and AOC is the one more angle. So instead of POC I wrote these two angles. In the same way, COQ can be written as two angles, COB and BOQ. That is the thing I wrote. Okay. Now, already we have proven POA is equal to AOC. See here, POA will be equal to AOC or COA, both are same. That's why instead of POA we can substitute AOC, keep the AOC as it is, even COB as it is. Instead of BOQ we can write COB. That's why I write down COB. Now you can observe 2 AOC is there, 2 COB is there. Add them. 2 AOC plus 2 COB is equal to 180 degree we are getting. In both 2 is common, remove 2 as a common thing. That time AOC plus COB is equal to 180 degree. Send 2 to this side. Cancellation, 2 1s are, 2 9s are, 0s are. And observe in the figure what is AOC plus COB. AOC plus COB is nothing but AOB. So, instead of these two angles, we can write it as a AOB. Therefore, AOB will be equal to 90 degree. That is the proof we had to make. We got the proof. Okay, children? Okay. Next, we will move to the next problem of the exercise. That is 10th problem. Prove that the angles between the two tangents drawn from an external point. So, it is an external point. Tangents AP and AQ. So a circle supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact at the center. So you have to prove here angle AO plus angle O, center angle and external angle. The sum of these two angles is equal to 180 you have to prove. Getting? So this is the figure. So given is what? AP and AQ are the tangents for a circle. Write down. Now what you have to prove? Angle A plus O is equal to 180 degree. That is the thing you have to prove. Write down. So already we know that this angle and this angle is 90 degree because radius and tangent are perpendicular. Therefore angle P plus angle P will be 90 degree as well as angle Q will be 90 degree. Now this is a quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral. What is the angle sum property of a quadrilateral? The sum of 4 angles is equal to 360 degree. That concept I am applying here. Angle A plus angle P plus angle O plus angle Q is equal to 360 degree. We don't know A, keep as it is. What is P? 90 degree. Already here we have taken. Again, what is Q? 90 degree. O we are not knowing, keep as it is 360. Add these two. 90 plus 90, 180. Angle A plus 180 plus angle O is equal to 360 degree. Send 180 to this side. Plus will become minus. So angle A plus O will be equal to 360 minus 180. So 360 minus 180 is what? 180 degree. So that is the thing we had to prove. We got the proof. Okay? Yes. Next, let us move to the next problem of the exercise. So, the next problem is prove that the parallelogram subscribing a circle is a rhombus. First, you should know what is a parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal, isn't it? Okay. So, here ABCD is a parallelogram. Let us take. But what you have to prove? You have to prove it as a rhombus. Okay. Before, let us, what are the things we are getting from the figure? You just check it out. So, all these points you call as a P, Q, or S. All these are points of contacts for tangents. So, A becomes an external point for the circle and AS will be equal to AP. Isn't it? So, that point. In the same way, at this point, PB will be equal to BQ. At this point, CR will be equal to CQ. At this point, DR will be equal to DS. Call it as 1, 2, 3, 4. Why they are equal? Because tangents from the same external points. Isn't it? They will be equal. Even If it is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. AB will be equal to CD and BC will be equal to AD. That point also you keep down. Now what you have to do, you have to add all the 4. All these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 you should add. By adding, you will be getting AP plus PB plus CR plus DR is equal to RHS part will be ACS plus BQ plus EQ plus DS. Just observe here. AB plus PB plus CR plus DR. This part. This part AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. This part. Clear? Now, here you can observe AP plus PB is nothing but AB. That's why instead of these two, I can write it as a AB. In the same way, CR plus DR can be written as CD. Here also, AS plus DS can be written as AD, whereas BQ plus CQ can be written as BC. Clear? Now, already here we are taken AB is equal to CD. Keep the AB as it is. Instead of CD, you substitute AB. Here keep the BC as it is. Instead of AD, BC you substitute. Now AB plus AB 2AB, BC plus BC 2BC. 2 get cancelled. AB will be equal to BC. Where is AB and BC? Just observe. AB is this and BC. They are adjacent sides now. So the adjacent sides has become equal means all the sides become equal. That's why ABCD is a rhombus. Clear, children? Okay, let us move to the next problem of the exercise, the 12th one. So the 12th problem is a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm. Circle is there, 4 cm radius, such that the segments BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D of lengths 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find the sides AB and AC. This is the question you will be having. So here triangle ABC circumscribes circle, that you should know. To prove the thing, first you should know which are the equal things. See here, C is the external point from the two tangents are drawn, which are the CD and CP. CD is, they have given 6 cm, therefore CP we also will be equal to 6. In the same way, B is the external point, BD will be equal to BQ. BD is 8, that's why both will be equal to 8 cm. And here, A is the external point and this side, this tangent will be equal to this. That's why I will call both will be equal as X. Because to find AB we need X. First we will find X. How to find? Here we should implement 9 standards area of a triangle, that is Heron's formula we should apply. For the Heron's formula, what are the things we are requiring? Perimeter is required, semi-perimeter. How to find that? Sum of sides by 2 we have to make. For that we are going. So this is the formula for perimeter, semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C by 2. A means here this side, BC side, 6 plus 8 how much? 14. Next, AC means it is 6 plus X. AB means 8 plus X. Okay, add all the numbers. 14 plus 6, 20, 20 plus 8, 28. X plus X, 2X by 2. Isn't it? By dividing, if you remove 2 as a common, that time it will be divided. So after dividing, it is 14. 2 get cancel X. So S will be equal to 14 plus X. Okay. What is Heron's formula, children? Root of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Substitute the values. What is S? S is 14 plus X. S minus A. S is 14 plus X. A is this side, 14. S minus B. S is 14 plus X. B is 1 this side. So, minus is there, no? That's why it gets a minus. So, it will be minus 6 minus x you will be getting. Here s means 14 plus x, c means this, minus 8 minus c, that is x. Now 14 plus x will be as it is, plus 14 minus 14 get cancelled, x will be left. Here also plus x minus x get cancelled, 14 plus 14 minus 6 is 8. Okay. Here also x get cancelled, 14 minus 8 is 6. What? Here anything can be removed as a common? Yes, here 4 2s are you will be having. Okay. So 2 should be taken out. 3 2s are will be taken. Here 1 2, here 1 2, 2, 2 2s. There also 1 2 you have to take out. See, 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. Whereas 6 can be written as 3 into 2. Isn't it? This 2 and this 2 will become a squares. 2 you can take it out. The left will be 3. Here this x and 14 plus x will be left. Okay. Now this one you keep as one thing. Now here you can join this part and this part. Now the area of ABC can be written as area of a triangle AOB AOC plus BOC. Sum of 3 triangles also we can write. That is the thing I am doing here. Okay. Area of triangle ABC is equal to sum of 3 triangles, that is BOC plus BOA plus AOC. Now here area of a triangle is given with one more formula, that is half into base into height, isn't it? Half into base into height. From that also we can find. So area of BOC will be half into 14. BOC, in BOC what is the base? See here. This triangle BC is the base, that's why 8 plus 6 14 you will be getting, into radius of a circle. Height will be the 4 only. Here also half into 4 into 8 plus x you will be getting. Here half into 4 into 6 plus x you will be getting. Sides cancel here. 2 1s are 2 7s are 7 4s are 28. 2 1s are 2 2 8 2s are 16. 2x 2 2s are 6 into 2 12. 2x. Got up? Now numbers 28 16 12, it will be 56. 2x 2x 4x. Remove 4 as a common from this. 4 1s are 4 4s are 14 plus x. Observe both the sides. 4 gets cancelled. So here square root is there, here not is there. So square both the sides. Squaring both the sides. That time both the sides we will be getting squares. So square root and square get cancelled. 14 plus x into x minus x. This one can be written as 2 times. 2 square is there means what you will do? 2 into 2 you write, no? In the same way 14 plus x square means you can write it as a 2 times. Cancel it off. X into 2 3x 14 plus x. Send x to the LHS part. So 3x minus x is equal to 14. 2x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 by 2, that is. By cancelling 2 1s are 2 7s are x value 7. We got x value. Now we can find AB and AC. AB is x plus 8. X value 7 plus 8, that is 15. AC is x plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. Yes, we got the sides of a triangle. Now we will move to the last problem of the exercise. Which is the last problem of the exercise? Means prove that the opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribe a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. This is the thing you have to prove. That means at the centers, opposite sides, this angle and this angle forms a 180 degree. That is the thing you have to prove. Getting? So quadrilateral ABC subscribes a circle, write down that. Now what you have to prove? AOD plus BOC is equal to 180 degree. Either you can take this side or this side also. AOB plus COD also 180 degree. Okay, that is the thing you have to prove. Now before going to the proof, just take these two triangles. AOS and AOP you take out. In that, what are the common things we are getting? You just check it out. OS and OP are the radius. Okay. And AP and AS are the tangents from external point. That's why they will be equal. And I can observe OA is the common side for both. That's why I got all the three sides as equal. From that, we can prove the congruency of that. If they are congruent, angle 2 will be equal to angle 3. Now in the same way, these two triangles if you take, you will be getting angle 4 will be equal to angle 5. These two triangles if you take, angle 6 will be equal to angle 7. If you take these two triangles, 8 will be equal to 1. So that is the thing I wrote. Same, in the same way you will be getting, no need of solving all. Now let us calculate all the angles. Totally how many angles we are having? 8 angles. Write down sum of all the 8. So all the 8 angles are around a point. So it is nothing but a 360 degree. In any point, around any point, the angle measure will be 360 degree. Now, so already we have proven angle 1 is equal to what? Keep the angle 1 as it is. 2 as it is. 2 is equal to 3. So what is required for us? We just check it out. Here 7 and 8 we have to omit and 3 and 4 we have to omit. In that places we have to write these angles. Okay. So 3 we should not write. Instead of 3 what we should be written? 2. 4 we should not write. Instead of 4 what we should write? 5. Okay, 5 as it is. 6 will be as it is. Instead of 7 what we should write? 6 only. Instead of 8, 1 we should write. Okay. So 1 we got 2 times. Therefore 2 1. 2 we got 2 times. 5 we got 2 times. 6. All will be 2 times. So remove 2 as a common. 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6 you will be getting. Send 2 to this side. It is 360 by 2. 180 degree we are getting. Just observe the figure. 1 and 2 will be equal to what? You just check it out. It is 1, it is 2. The sum of this will be AOD. That's why instead of 1 and 2, AOD you write down. In the same way, 5 and 6 is this. BOC. That's why I write down BOC. Therefore, AOD plus BOC will be 180 degree. In the same way, we can go with the one more side. Instead of taking here 1, 2, 5, 6, you can go with the 3, 4, 7, 8. That time you will be getting this proof. Okay, by this lesson will be completed, children. So, from the next class, we are going with a new lesson, construction lesson. Be ready with your instrument box. Okay, children. Thank you.